Glad you're here. Need a little help fulfilling a contract. Aim on shipping some nasty tech on board these trains. My job is to torch them, but my guys are late to the party. Now, I'm thinking you'd like to see those trains go up in smoke too.
Must I compensate for your weakness? Finally, the enemy approaches. Prepare for battle. I see Protoss on the battlefield. I shall cut them down. Even my structures put up more of a fight than you.
Got eyes on your objective. Blow up that train before it reaches its destination.
Oh well, it is quite satisfying to chase down one's prey.
Research.
The enemy dares to attack our base. Even my structures put up more of a fight than you.
objective has nearly escaped.
Mine. Vengeance for the betrayed. Vengeance for the betrayed.
They've loaded up another train. Make sure that cargo doesn't get delivered.
Base is under attack.
Vengeance for the betrayed.
One of their trains got through. That cargo's bad news for everyone.
Vengeance for the betrayed. My life for the High Lord. You pledge your power to me. My supplicant's life for mine. A good trade. Must I compensate for your weakness? Vengeance for the betrayed.
Destroyed.
All who oppose ye shall suffer. Hostile forces are approaching us. Break them.
You got a train to catch, Commanders. Don't want to miss it, do you?
Cloaking is for the weak. Detect and destroy these cowards.
Upgrade.
My blades have met the enemy. Vengeance for the betrayed.
Upgrade complete.
Even my structures put up more vengeance for the betrayed.
Got a train on that bottom track moving fast. Must be a priority shipment. Intercept it if you can.
Vengeance, my love. You may now empower me. These foolish enemies seek to storm my base.
Main objective escaping. Main objective destroyed.
There was never a...
Base is under attack.
My life for the High Lord. Must I compensate for your weakness?
Trains are leaving both stations at once. I guess they're trying to stay on schedule.
Vengeance for the betrayed. My life for the High Lord. strong as any army.
Main objective destroyed.
A shameful and cowardly death. Oh, witness the might of the Death Heat. My life for the High. Must I compensate for your weakness? An enemy attack moves towards our base. Oh, most unwise.
Good job torching those trains. From the intel I've been provided, I'd say half their stock is in flames.
My life for the High Lord. Even my structures put up more of a fight than you.
Incoming train. Do whatever it takes to derail it.
Is under attack. Upgrade complete.
My life for the High Lord. My life for the High Lord.
Main objective has been destroyed.
You died without a shred of honor. So the enemy seeks to attack our base, they will regret it.
Upgrade complete.
My life for the High Lord. My life for the High Lord. Empower me, minion. My life for the High Lord.
Contract offers a big bonus for hitting the trains on the third rail, but don't do it for me. Do it for the good of the sector.
A main objective has been destroyed.
Pathetic. I do not take kindly to intruders. Our enemies will learn that soon enough.
Main objective destroyed.
Such is the way of the Tal'Darim. No prisoners, no survivor.
Their warehouses should be looking real empty right now. Not too many trains left to go.
My life for the High Lord. Moves towards our base. Oh, most unwise. I am ready to be empowered. My life for the High Lord.
Our pylon is under attack.
You pledge your power to me.
Knock that train over and raise some hell.
The main objective has nearly escaped.
My life for the High Lord.
Main objective destroyed.
Well, was the enemy expecting mercy? My life for the High Lord.
Our pylon is under attack.
The Death Fleet descends upon this world. Only destruction awaits our foes.
Our pylon is under attack. A main objective has been destroyed.
As expected. Well, perhaps you are of some use to me.